Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a payment method in Google AdSense in 2026. So if you want to receive your YouTube or website earnings without delays, you'll need to set up your payment details correctly. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside the dashboard, click the Payments tab from the left side menu. Now select Payment Info to manage your payout settings and payment methods. Look for the Add Payment Method button and click it to begin setup. Depending on your country, you may see options like bank transfer or wire transfer. Now type your account holder name, bank name, account number, and other required details carefully. You might also need to enter a SWIFT code, routing number, or IFSC code based on your bank location. After reviewing everything, click Save to add the payment method to your AdSense account. If you have more than one payment option, set your preferred one as the primary payment method. Google will now use this payment method once your earnings reach the payment threshold. And always double-check your banking details because incorrect information can delay your payouts. So that's how to add a payment method in Google AdSense in 2026. Once your payment setup is complete, receiving your earnings becomes much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.